Good evening, we are the Spanners, and the first song we're going to do tonight has been hastily cobbled together particularly for this occasion, and the song is called the IMF, and it's about the IMF, the world's loan sharks. Funny, interestingly enough, on the news there were government proposals to teach children as young as 4 or 5 how not to get involved in loan sharks. But if they're successful enough and they graduate to the Harvard and the Chicago School of Economics, they can actually get taught how to be loan sharks. Crazy guys. Now the year was 1943, a hard lesson learned from history. A new deal for you, a new deal for me, but that's not the way it worked out to be. 'Cause the evil men who always had that power, the tears in the pond and the milk star, the yellow brick rolled through a bright new day, tried and tested by Pinochet. The IMF, the IMF, shame on you, the IMF. Hang your head, the IMF, let's break the legs of the IMF. They give a shot, I know they give a shot, I know they give a shot, I know the same message as before. Privatise and fill estates, curb public spending and deregulate. Do it quickly while they're still in shock. Strip off the assets and please the block. Chile, Argentina, Bolivia, Poland, Russia, South Africa, China, Sri Lanka and Vietnam, Libya, Iraq, Afghanistan. The IMF, the IMF, shame on you, the IMF. Hang your head, the IMF, let's break the legs of the IMF. They get a shot, I know they get a shot, I know they get a shot, I know the same that the trades have before. Take away, boys. Fair, they don't give a toss. Where there's pain there's profit, where there's profit there's loss. The masters of disaster are on their way, up the yellow brick road to a brand new day. Now the EDL and the UKIP, they don't seem to know their enemy. Migration, torture and a world in debt, you better blame it on the forces at the IMF. The IMF, the IMF, shame on you, the IMF. Hang your head, the IMF, let's break the legs of the IMF. They give a shot, and oh, they give a shot, and oh, they give a shot, and oh, same as the tricks as before. Same as the tricks as before. Same as the tricks as before. Thank you. That's a new one. There was a young man who went fracking till the mantle below started cracking. When he put his drill in, the earth moved for him, so the strain of it all did his back in. Now, on the subject of fracking, what worries me the most about the fracking is not necessarily the science behind it, but the people behind it. Now, according to very reliable sources, you must be right about this, Jules, but the company behind the company, 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 behind the fracking, is apparently Halliburton. And
So fracking in the UK is going to be brought to you by the same people that brought us the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan, Hurricane Katrina, and how the hell did that all work out for us? This song is called Halliburton.
No, you start. How are you going to do it? You've got to play a bit.
I've been trying to figure what life's all about. It's making me work, sweating and shout. I wanna become a world. Maybe I'll let these facing all rain, rain and snow. At the green of it, you'll be the dead farmer's son. No lions and cheats and take us to war and turn us all in on each other. When they have laid all the nature to waste, they'll laugh while it's fallen and then fuck off and taste. God help any aliens they see face to face, they'll crown and put up to oblivion. They have seen that some people whenever they cover, they'll wish it for one and they sit in the other. See which one fills up first, I'm telling you brother, look it's up for them, it's up for what do you do in this life? You want chance to love one another and get up and dance. If you get the fortune to find some romance, then grab it with both your hands only. So let's all turn our backs on material wealth and tell how they burn and take your fucking self. I'll raise up my glass to your very good health, and I'll welcome you here one and all. So let's all turn our backs on material wealth and tell how they burn and take your fucking self. Then I'll raise up a glass to your very good health and welcome you here one and all. Thank you. Cheers. This next song was inspired jointly by reading two publications, one being the Westmoreland Gazette, telling endless stories of people walking lemming-like off Lakeland cliffs because they've been told to do so by their sat-navs. And the other inspiration for this song is the Land Ranger OL26, I think it's the one to 25,000, and it covers the southeastern lakes. So, if on the chorus anybody thinks I'm being a bit tight on the old man of Coniston, right, refer to the map and all will be made clear. It's called Disney UK, the song. Hold the legs! And I hope that, blimey heck, it doesn't go that way. You see little cardboard cutouts of people saying you must be at least as tall as me to walk up this mountain. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now after the ice age of the snow went away, it left for the humans a great place to play, where cracks, cliffs and pillars cut up from the ground, and crystal blue lakes fill the valleys around. Now they came and they conquered, they cleared and they closed, they blasted and quarried, laid rails and roads, they map sketched and surveyed in tellers their mark, created the Lake District National Park. Cause killers, the killer and crowds are strong, the old man's a river with a tear on the them all. Now was there a buried up to stay head in the blueprints of Wainwright and masses to tread of pitch perfect ridges soaring into the clouds that take them away from the burning cloud. And pillars and killers, high clouds are strong, the old man's the river with a town at the top. Then Catherine is really for my love the whole. Strong bells are great, oh yeah, they sing of them all. On a hard day of rhinos when the bitter wind blows, there's streets in my face and I can feel my toes. And as daylight fades and the storm blows from hell, yet pity and hurt I've lost all on the fell. Good killers and killers, our fowls are strong, the old man's a river with a town at top. And Catherine the beautiful, my love of all, strong bells are great, oh yeah, they sing of them all. Wait, boys!
And bring it down, right down. Now the tourists go up, the stocking goes down, the bracken takes over, the ticks go to town, the poundage comes down, the prices go up, the management shooting us all in the mud. So warning to humans who come into play, you're entering much more than Disney UK. You know what will happen when you've seen it before. Yes, that's that one saviour from taking a fall. Those killers are killers, high stars are smart. The old man's a river with a town at top. The Catherine, the beautiful, my love of all. Storm bells are great over the king of